Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. What is the difference and similarities between these two cell types, prokaryotic cell type and eukaryotic cell type. Cells have evolved from two different architectures, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. In last lecture, we have a detailed look to cell, what is cell in actual. So today we will discuss about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells was considered as the first cell on the face of Earth billions of years ago, and all the prokaryotic organisms are unicellular. However, eukaryotic cells appeared long after prokaryotic cells on the face of Earth. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex, and developed as compared to prokaryotic cell. And eukaryotic cells, both eukaryotic cells are both appeared in multicellular and unicellular organisms. Characteristics of prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are simple type of cells, considered as the oldest type of cell present on Earth, almost about 4 billion years ago. Prokaryotic cells are the largest group of organisms present on Earth, unicellular organisms that are found in all environments. Prokaryotes do not have a clear membrane and a circular shaped genetic material dispersed throughout the cytoplasm. Prokaryotes do not have membrane bounded organelles. Prokaryotes have a simple internal structure. Prokaryotes are smaller in size when compared to eukaryotes. So here we have some shapes of prokaryotic cells. Here we have some shapes of prokaryotic cells. In spiral shape, here it is in spiral shape, round shape, spiral shape, sorry. Then here we have in round shape, and here we have in rod shape. This is the simple unicellular prokaryotic cell that has a flagellum, pilies, ribosomes, a genetic material, ribosomes, cell membrane, cell wall, and outer capsule. However, eukaryotic cells have different characteristics as compared to prokaryotic cells. As we studied that prokaryotic cells just appear 4 billion years back. However, eukaryotic cells almost appear 1 billion years ago. Prokaryotic cells are simple. Eukaryotic cells are advanced. Prokaryotic cells have spherical shaped DNA material in the cytoplasm. However, eukaryotic cells has a separate nucleus that has genetic material in the form of DNA or RNA. Eukaryotic cells have several different parts, however, prokaryotic cells have simple parts. Eukaryotic cells are complex internal structures, however, prokaryotes have simple structures. Eukaryotes are bigger than prokaryotes. Here we have the common example of eukaryotic cell that includes mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. What are the differences they have? Prokaryotes lack organelle membranes. However, eukaryotes have a membrane-bounded organelles inside. Ribosomes are the only organelles present in prokaryotes. However, eukaryotes has different types of organelles, including ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, nucleus, etc. Genetic material just floating in the cytoplasm. However, in eukaryotic cells, genetic material is packed in a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells has unicellular circular DNA. However, eukaryotic has linear DNA, also multicellular or unicellular. In prokaryotic cells, they are small in size. Eukaryotic cells are large in size. Prokaryotic cell has number of larger organisms. However, eukaryotic has smaller number of organisms. Prokaryotes has larger number of organisms. Prokaryotes appeared almost 4 billion years back. However, eukaryotes appeared 1 billion years back. The similarity between these two eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells are both have cell membrane, outer covering of the cell. Both types of cell have ribosomes inside as organelle. Both have DNA material as genetic material. Both types of cells have a liquid environment known as the cytoplasm. Prokaryotic cells are smaller and simpler, commonly present and known as bacteria. Size depends on 100 to 10 to 100 microns. Single-celled and has a filamentous to move from one position to another position for swimming. So here we have the example of prokaryotes. Here, these are the prokaryotes. Here on the head of a steel pin, you can see the growth of E. coli bacteria. Prokaryotic cells are simply built, have a capsule as the upper body, then has a tough cell wall that give a specific shape. Then there is a cell membrane that is a slight inner skin, or you can say membrane inside. After that, there is a cytoplasm that has embedded DNA material and ribosomes. Then we have a pili, PILLI, for sticking to the things of that prokaryotic cells. You can say as anchoring for the cell. Then there is a flagellum. One is known as flagellum and a flagella that just helps it to move from one place to another place for swimming. And ribosomes are embedded, also present in cytoplasm for the development of different proteins. Prokaryotic lifestyle is very simple, as they are unicellular organisms and alone form, present in alone form or in colony form. So it is filamentous and form chains of different cells. Here you can see in these figures. It is simple one, single one. However, this is in chains and colony form. Prokaryote feeding. Prokaryote just survive with the help of photosynthesis. Just convert the sunlight or solar energy into cellular energy for different functions. These are disease causing and just moves to the host and survive on the host energy. These just decompose the dead things. It just, you can say, finish or engulf the dead things, eat the dead things. However, eukaryotes are bigger and more complicated, have many organelles inside, have chromosomes, DNA material. They are multicellular. They are present in both animal and plant cells. It has bounded, specifically membrane-bounded organelles, including endoplasmic reticulum and different other organelles. First of all, it has a cell structure that has cell membrane. It is a lipid bilayer protein skin around the cytoplasm that just compact the whole cell. And just inside the cytoplasm, there are so many different organelles. Like in the center, there is a nucleus that has a genetic material inside, has pores on that membrane for the movement of different ions, molecules, or necessary materials from inside to outside, or proteins, or the generation of protein inside from to outside. Then there is a nucleolus inside the nucleus that is known as the location of ribosome factory. After that, there is a powerhouse of a cell in the cytoplasm that is known as mitochondria in plural and mitochondrion in singular. That just converts the solar energy or other energies into cellular energy for processing of different functions. Then there is the ribosomes present in the cell and helps. Ribosomes are also present on endoplasmic reticulum and also in the cytoplasm. There are two types of ribosomes, like first free ribosomes and that the ribosomes that are embedded on rough endoplasmic reticulum. It helps to generate different types of proteins and form amino acids from the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum, as we already discussed, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum that has ribosomes on their skin, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth are built of lipids and carbohydrates. Then we have a Golgi complex that has a sac of raw material inside, as a endoplasmic reticulum sends out sacs containing different you can say toxin compounds, and finishes that toxin compounds from the cell, helps to just engulf these toxins. There are lysosomes that just has the digestive enzymes. When lysosome fuse with that harmful compounds, the the different enzymes, digestive enzymes, just engulf or damage or finish that toxin and removes from the cell. There are centrioles that are pair of bundle tubules that give a specific division to the cell division to the eukaryotic cell. There is a cytoskeleton that gives a specific shape to the cell, found throughout the cytoplasm, scattered in the cytoplasm, and gives a specific shape to the cell and also helps for the movement of the cell. There is a difference between animal eukaryotic cell and plant eukaryotic cell. In animal eukaryotic cell, we do not have cell membrane. However, in plant eukaryotic cell, there is a cell wall, not cell membrane, cell wall. In animal eukaryotic cell, we do not have cell wall. However, we have cell membrane. In plant eukaryotic cell, we have cell wall first, that is very strong, made up of cellulose to protect the cell from rupturing and other damages, and it is considered as the it is outside to the cell membrane. After that cell wall, we have a cell membrane in plant cells. Then we have a vacuole that is present at the center of the plant cell. In big, it has a large volume, has inside many things. It has pores, and it just maintains the pressure of the cell. We have a chloroplast in plant cells that just has filled with a chlorophyll. It just converts solar energy into cellular energy to form or to process different functions of the cell. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? The main difference is of cell wall. Plant cells have cell wall, however, animal cells don't have cell wall. There is a large vacuole inside the at the center of the plant cell. However, in animal cell, there are small vacuoles embedded in cytoplasm. So here we have the table of structure of animal cells and plant cells. Both the cells have cell membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. However, centrioles are only present in animal cells, not in plant cells. Similarly, cell wall is only present in plant cells, not in animal cells. Mitochondria is present in both animal cells and plant cells. Chloroplasts are only present in plant cells, not in animal cells. One big vacuole present in the center of the plant cells. However, small vacuoles are present in the animal cells, not a big vacuole. Cytoskeletons are present in both plant cells and animal cells. Thank you so much.